How to unsend messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unsend messages on Facebook Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to scroll through the chat and locate the messages that you want to remove. And now here, once you have located the message, then you simply have to tap and hold the message. And here, from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on delete. And here, in this section, once you have selected the message, you simply have to tap on delete, and from the pop-up menu, you simply have to select delete for everyone. And here, once you have done that, it will simply unsend the messages on the messenger. And that's it. That's how you can unsend messages on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.